It's almost back to school season. It's almost back to school. That makes me a little sad that my daughter is going back to school. And I thought it would be a great idea to give my daughter's teacher a tumbler as a little gift. She's gonna have a new teacher. And so decided to make this cute teacher tumbler. So if you wanna see how to sell these 20-ounce tumblers, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about sublimation and sewing. So if either of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family, and let's jump into this video. You can find so many tumbler designs on creativefabrica.com. I'll have it linked down below. They have a bunch of it. Just search 20-ounce tumblers and you will find so many cute ones. I wanted to do a teacher one for my daughter's teacher since back to school is unfortunately around the corner. I ended up going with this cool 3D teacher tumbler design, and I sized it to the size on the screen right there. I'll also have the size in the description below, and then I created a clipping mask and exported it as a JPEG. For this project, you're going to need your design, your tumbler, butcher paper, heat tape, heat gloves, either a tumbler press, mug press, or a convection oven. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our mug press. This is the Heat Press Nation Signature Press. I have the tumbler attachment inside of it. We're gonna take our blank tumbler and we're gonna stick it inside and we're gonna find our pressure. Right now there's two loose pressure. You see that? It's like, whoop, it's just sliding in there. So I'm gonna take these knobs and I'm going to adjust my pressure. And you want it to be tight enough where your tumbler is not budging. So now we can put this to the side. So I'm going to set my heat press at 334 degrees for 50 seconds. You want to trim down your design on one side. You don't want any white left on one side, and you can leave the other side as is. Take your tumbler out of the packaging. You want to keep the straw and the bottom grip on there, as well as the cap. You can take a lint roller or some rubbing alcohol and clean off. You want to try not to touch this with your fingers because you're going to have oils on your fingers and it's going to mess up everything. We're going to take our design, we're going to flip it, and you're going to take some heat tape and you're going to place it on the border here of your design. You want to make sure that it's not overlapping, but you want it to be just right here. So just on the edge, and this is just gonna help with any ghosting. Then you wanna take your tumbler that you cleaned and you want to line it up where you want it. First focus on the top and bottom. Then you wanna bring over this side that you trimmed off and you wanna hold it tightly. And then you wanna take the other side and you wanna bring it over and you want to be pulling as tight as you can. And then just look on the top and bottom to see if it's lined up correctly. Once you have it how you want it, you want to take some heat tape and start taping down this seam. Then once you tape your middle seam, you want to fold over your top edges and tape those all down, and tape down your bottom and repeat on the bottom side as well. Okay, so now we're gonna take our tumbler. I'm gonna have that seam facing up just so that I kind of have a reference of how my tumbler is, and I'm gonna slide that in. And I'm gonna press for 50 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna slowly open my mug press, and then I'm gonna rotate it to have that seam facing down. And then I'm gonna press for another 50 seconds. So now you're gonna take your heat gloves, you're gonna open your mug press, and you're going to take it out and let it cool down. Okay, now that it's cooled down, we're gonna take our heat tape off and we're gonna start off with our seam. Okay, ready? Moment of truth. goes. This is my first time doing one of these like 3D type designs. It's very interesting to say the least, but it is really cute. So now that we have taken off our sublimation paper, we can get our tapa, our cap, and you're gonna put it on. And then you can get the bottom piece, take it off the backing, and you can place that on the bottom. And then a little straw. And now it's all done, and you can put it in the cute little box that it comes with, and it'd be a perfect little gift. So cute. I love how it turned out. Don't know how I feel about this. Completely feel about this 3D thing that's going on, but it's still cute. The tumbler turned out so cute. It's actually cuter than what I thought it was gonna be. It was my first time trying this 3D design. I know it's like all the rage right now, but I'm not a huge fan of it. It's not my favorite, and I think because of the 3D element, the colors just, I don't know, this design just doesn't pop as much as I wanted to. And it's not the tumbler's fault, it's the design, because it was like that on the computer. But it's still, it's decently cute. I think I would like it better if it wasn't the 3D. It's okay. It's still cute. She gonna like it. She gonna be like, thank you. It's okay. But I do like these tumblers. I've subbed on them before, and I think they make a great gift. I love that they come in a little gift box that already has a little bow on it, and it comes with the straw and the cleaning brush. They're great for Christmas, for gifts, birthday gifts. I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys. Don't forget to use the code Leslie for 12% off A-Sub and Koala's websites. Let me know in the comments what you guys are making as gifts for your kids' teachers. Are you making gifts? Do people even do that for the first day of school? I don't know. Let me know. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.